Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook a delicious curry in your Instant Pot. First, let's get organized. You'll need about 1 pound of your main ingredient, like chicken, chickpeas, or mixed vegetables, along with 1 can of creamy coconut milk and 2 tablespoons of curry paste. Don't forget your aromatics, 1 onion, 3 cloves of garlic, and a 1-inch piece of ginger. These foundational steps ensure you're ready to create a flavorful meal with ease. Building a deep flavor profile starts with proper sautéing. Begin by adding 2 tablespoons of oil to your Instant Pot and selecting the sauté function. Cook your diced onion for about 3 to 5 minutes until it's beautifully translucent. Next, add the minced garlic and ginger, stirring for just 30 seconds until they become wonderfully fragrant. Finally, stir in 2 tablespoons of curry paste, toasting it for 1 minute to unlock its full aromatic potential. This step is key for a rich, complex curry. Now let's move to the magic of pressure cooking. First, deglaze the pot with 1/4 cup of broth or water, ensuring no bits are stuck to the bottom. Then, add your 1 pound of protein or vegetables, the full can of coconut milk, and any extra spices. Secure the lid, set the vent to ceiling, and pressure cook on high for 5 to 10 minutes. After cooking, let it naturally release pressure for 5 minutes, then do a quick release. This ensures perfectly cooked, tender ingredients every time. With your curry cooked, it's time for the finishing touches. Stir in some fresh herbs like cilantro or basil and a squeeze of fresh lime juice to brighten all the flavors. Give it a taste and adjust the seasonings as needed, perhaps a little more salt, a pinch of sugar, or extra spice. Serve your wonderful Instant Pot curry hot over fluffy rice with warm naan bread or your preferred accompaniment. Garnish with more fresh herbs or a dollop of yogurt for a truly satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.